Next, in structures we have the topic called nested structures. So like nested if condition, in the sense one if is placed within another if. In the same way, nested structure in the sense one structure is placed within the another structure. It means one structure is declared inside the another structure, means we can say that is nested structure. See, what is the use of nested structure in the sense, by taking one example we'll discuss. Here struct employee I am taking, this is outer structure. One more structure I am taking, struct salary. So employee structure is outside structure, salary structure is inside the other structure. Now I can say this is one nested structure, outer structure, inner structure. Now outer structure will be having one data member, that is int age, and inner structure salary is having float basic pay. So this is belongs to this one and this is belongs to this one. Now structure variable for salary is pay and structure variables for employees E1 and E2. E1 and E2 are the structure variables for employee. Now how to access the basic pay and age in the C program, that is the question. In main function you can observe that I am taking struct employee E1 is equal to 45 and 70,000. What is this in the sense? I am taking E1 employee of outer structure and initializing 45 is the age and basic pay is 70,000. Basic pay is 70,000. This is one type of initialization. Then I am taking E2 dot pay dot basic pay equals to 50,000. What is the meaning of this one in the sense? See, E2 is the structure variable and I am going for basic pay, right? So when I am going for basic pay, I have to use this variable called pay dot basic pay. E2 dot pay dot basic pay is equal to 50,000. Got it? So this is I assigned to employee 2. Same age of the employee 2 I have to enter. So E2 dot age is equal to 40. For this I am not using pay. Why? Because this age is belongs to outer structure. So directly I can go and access this. E2 dot age is equal to 40. Then how to print it in the sense? Printf %d tab %f. See, if I want to display the age, I can just take E1 dot age, enough. But if I want to display the basic pay, I have to access E1 dot pay dot basic pay. Why? Because I am having one structure variable pay here for the inner structure. So I have to use E1 dot pay dot basic pay. In the same way for employee 2, %d slash t %f E2 dot age. No need to use pay here because this is outer structure variable or data member. Basic pay is the inner structure data member. So I have to use this variable E2 dot pay dot basic pay. So you are going to get the output like this. Got it? So one more example we are having here for nested structures. See, nested structures, example 2, struct employee I am taking, employee name, and inside this employee I am taking one more structure called struct with the two fields, sons and daughters, and the structure variable is family. So inner structure is having two data members with one variable family. Outer structure is having one data member with no variable name. Variable name for this outer structure is declared here. See, struct employee F1. F1 is the structure variable for outer employee. It can access inner structure details also. Now printf enter the data for F1 employee. See how many details I am entering: name, son and daughter. So name is percentages, how many sons %d integer number, and how many daughters %d. Now the question is how to access using dot operator. We can access. Ampersand is not required for strings. Okay, now F1 dot name. See, whatever the struct employee F1 structure variable is declared, using this I can access directly name F1 dot name. That is what I have written here, F1 dot name. Second one, if I want to access sons, I have to go through F1 dot family dot sons. F1 dot family dot sons. Ampersand is required because integer. If I want to access daughters, I have to go for F1 dot family dot daughters. See, F1 dot family dot daughters. So this is what accessing in inner structure data members and outer structure data members. How to display the result? You just go for printf statements like this. Printf, the details of employee F1 are name slash t sons slash t daughters. It means you are going to create the heading. Below that you are displaying the result. So name of the employee, how many sons and how many daughters. F1 dot name, F1 dot family dot sons, F1 dot family dot daughters. So you can get the result like this. Printf, enter the data for employee F1. Sukesh is the employee, one son, one daughter he is having. The output is, we are displaying like this. The details of the employee F1 are 3 columns we have created, name, son and daughters. So below that we are printing the result. That's all. Thank you.